What's up, everybody? Quick tutorial on how to navigate through the build that I install on Firesticks. If you're having any problems, the first thing, if you're having any problems down the road, dead links, streaming problems for movies or TV shows, whatever the case may be, first thing you need to do is come over here to the Programs tab. Press down on the remote, takes you to the Builds menu, and over here it will show you whatever new version is available. Right now there's none. This is the current 3.8. If 3.9, 4.0 is available, I'll say it right here. You can click on to either the first or second link. You click onto it and it's going to take you to this menu, current build 3.8. You're going to hit fresh install. Don't hit standard, hit fresh. It'll wipe out 3.8 and put whatever current version is at that time. Simple. It'll prompt you. You can't mess it up. Alright, now we'll go back. So you have programs, system, there it goes showing you the current version. But here we go. Movies. You have a carousel, nice clean look. If you want to watch Aliens Covenant, Agent, whatever, Aftermath, once you click onto it in here, once you click onto it, it'll go to the movie. Have patience. It doesn't just go 1, 2, 3 and you're watching. It takes time to scrape and to produce the link. Okay, now here's your tab for movies. Again, these are what you call add-ons. Any of these are sufficient. It's just all preference. Doesn't matter. They have the majority of the movies that you're looking for. Some scrape faster than others. I'm just showing you where to go to navigate. So down here is your sub menu for the add-ons. Okay, so over here for movies, if you click onto it, there's a default that it will take you to, which I believe is Triangulum. Okay, so movies, TV shows, another carousel with all the current TV shows, all the popular ones that's going on right now. Very simple. You hit left, you scroll through the carousel. The pictures will load up. Okay, very simple. Again, sub menu, you have all these different add-ons. Okay, some of them are just specific categories if you're looking straight for AMC shows, Netflix shows, and so forth. Okay, so you have movies, TV shows, kids, whole kids section, kids movies, cartoon crazy, kids TV shows, Disney, kids box sets like Toy Story 1, 2, and 3, and so forth. Okay, feel free to just roam around. Ladies Night has a specific section for ladies, lady movies. Okay, this is probably got more movies to load up, but we're not worrying about that. I'm just showing you the layout and how to navigate. Okay, fan faves. This is nice, clean setup right here. Action, adventure, animation, comedy, so forth. Okay, you're into westerns, here's your category, grit. Again, sub menu has specifics and it'll take you to a particular add-on. Urban, here we go, have an urban section. Same thing with the sub menu. Okay, always drop down to get to the sub menu, left and right. Okay, IPTV is live TV. This is another thing you can explore with. I don't really mess around too much with a lot of live TV because I just mostly I'm watching TV shows and movies, so I'm looking for specific titles. So I just stay in the movie and TV, but it all works. If you find something that doesn't work, keep trying. There's working links in here. Okay, Eternal TV. This is new. I'm not familiar with it. It has a TV guide. You can just research. You can just discover. You got a sports section here. Okay, same thing. What I found in the past, the best sports to go to is Sports Central, and it has pretty decent streaming links under it. Okay, then you got music, games, programs. We're back to the beginning pretty much. System. Okay, That's it. Any questions, DM me.